Alright, so this video is all about accessing your email. So what you're going to want to do is go to the North Oldham Middle School home webpage, and you can find that by simply typing in on Google North Oldham Middle School. I'm going to click the first link that pops up. Alright, so when this web page loads, you're going to notice that down the center of the web page you have many options. Now, since you're a student and you're wanting to access your email, you're going to go to the Students tab here. You're going to click the button. It's going to give you 5 options to choose from. You're definitely going to want to choose the email/Office 365 option. You'll go ahead and click OK. It's telling us that you're going to a different website. When this loads, it's not going to look exactly like this. It remembers my account, but it's going to look more something like this, where there's a sign in for you. You will sign in using your first name dot last name, and yours is going to be at stu.oldham.kyschools.us. It's going to ask you to enter your password. It's going to ask if you'd like to stay signed in. I will say yes. Then it's going to pull up this screen. All you're going to do is go over here to where it says Welcome to Office. You're just going to click Sign In. And then it gives me another page with multiple options to choose from. The option you want to access your email is actually called Outlook. So when you click Outlook, it should open your email.